It's time once again for that jolly December holiday, Repeal Day. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. On December 5th, 1933, Prohibition, America's failed experiment in social engineering, was repealed, and tipplers everywhere rejoiced that they could once again purchase their liquor legally and without fear of death from tainted hooch. Here's a lovely libation to celebrate this happy holiday. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of bourbon, 1/2 ounce blackstrap rum, 1/2 ounce blackberry liqueur, and 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass.
It feels so good to be a law-abiding citizen.
I'd like to be law-abiding some more, please.
Okay.
Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to join us Friday this week at 7 p.m. Eastern for another Liquor Up Live broadcast. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon.